students. Today we will discuss about sphere and its general equation. Now sphere. First, what is sphere? This football is like a sphere. It is round shape and no vertices. So it is the shape of sphere. On board we can understand about it. If a shape like this, O is any point, A, B, C are 3 points. Let us suppose A, B, C are 3 points on this. If OA, distance between OA, OB and OC are equal, then O will be center of sphere. Then O will be center of sphere and OA, OB, OC, it will be radius of this sphere. OA equal to OB equal to OC. So it will be radius of this sphere. It can be made with the help of semicircle. Let us suppose it is your semicircle. AB is diameter of this semicircle. Revolve 360 degree around the diameter. You will get shape of sphere. Now let us suppose coordinate of center of sphere is alpha, beta, gamma, and OA, that is radius, is r. Then equation of sphere, when center is given and coordinate of center is alpha, beta, gamma and radius is r. Then equation of sphere will be x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square plus z minus gamma whole square equal to r square. It will be equation of sphere. Now general equation of sphere, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. It will be general equation of sphere. And center of this sphere will be minus u minus v minus w. It will be center of this sphere when it is general equation of sphere. And radius r equal to under root u square plus v square plus w square minus d. On the basis of this you can calculate radius of a sphere. Now come to the question. Find the equation of sphere whose center, coordinate of center is given minus 3, 4, 5 and radius is 7. Now you have to find equation of sphere. Center is given, radius is given. Let us suppose it is alpha, beta and gamma. Coordinate of center. So according to formula, x minus alpha whole square. Alpha is minus 3 plus y minus beta is 4 plus z minus gamma whole square. Gamma is 5 equal to r square. R is 7, so it will be 7 square. Now minus it will be plus, so x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square plus z minus 5 whole square equal to square of 7, that is 49. Now you will apply identity, a plus b whole square identity and a minus b whole square identity. Or you know a plus b whole square identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Same way a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. On the basis of these two identity you will simplify it. So first on the basis of this, x square plus 3 square 9 plus 2ab, it means 2 into 3 into x, 6x plus y square plus 4 square 16 minus 2ab, it will be 8y plus z square plus 25 minus 2 into 5 into z, that is 10z equal to 49. Now simplify it. First we will write square x square y square and z square. Now plus 6x minus 8y minus 10z. Numerical value 9 plus 16 25 plus 25 50. Now 49 from right side to left, it will be sign will be changed, minus 49, or it can be written x square plus y square plus z square plus 6x minus 8y minus 10z plus 1. 50 minus 49 plus 1. It will be equation of sphere when center and radius is given. Another question. This time you have to find center. Find the center and radius of the sphere. Equation of sphere is given. You have to find center and radius. In first question, center and radius was given. You calculate equation of sphere. Here is equation is given. Or you have to calculate center and radius of the sphere. Now you know general equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. And given equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 6y plus 2z plus 5 equal to 0. Now on comparing, On comparing from here, coefficient of x is 2u and here coefficient of x is minus 4. So 2u equal to minus 4 and u equal to minus 2. Now coefficient of y, that is 2v equal to 6 or v equal to 3 and 2w equal to 2, w equal to 1 and direct d equal to 5. Now you know coordinate of center will be minus u minus v minus w. Value of u is minus 2 and that is minus sign, minus minus plus, so it will be 2. Minus v, v is 3, so it will be minus 3. Minus w, w is 1, so it will be minus 1. So 2 minus 3 minus 1, it is the coordinate of the center of sphere. Now radius, formula under root u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Put the value of u is 2, so it will be value of u is minus 2. So minus 2 square plus v square. Sorry, from here u minus u, coordinate of u is minus 2, so it will be minus 2 square plus v square. V is 3, so 3 square plus w square, w is 1 square minus d, d is 5. So on squaring 2 is minus 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 1 square 1 minus 5. 4, 5 or 9, 14 minus 5, 9 under root 9 equal to 3. So it is the radius of sphere. Thank you.